part on us is that we gathered this, but today we are so happy that at least about 15 numbers were here. If you learn this, no, now because the days are gone when we have seen in the court that steno used to type order sheets, judgments in the typewriters. Now we are well equipped with the computers technology. So, keeping all these things in mind, Supreme Court's committee has done marvelous job, and you must know one thing that the Supreme Court's committee is being headed by Honorable the Chief Justice of India. So, we have seen our face in our life, COVID is in our life. So I consider COVID is a boon for us. At the comfort of our house, we could appear before the courts, we could file our cases online, right? So these all are the topics that we are going to cover today. Basics of computer that you must know. I think you are known to it also. And thereafter in the second session, how we file our case through the courts portal 3.0. Alright. So identifying major components, computer components. Okay. So these are the 5 major components of a computer. These are motherboard. These all are hardware parts. Okay, I am just giving the brief of what contains a computer system. Central processing unit, graphic processing unit, we say GPU, random access memory. Okay, so storage device, hard disk. Now hard disk these days it comes in SSD format. If you have a computer in your home, instead of installing old hard disk storage device, if you install SSD, it's a small slot, a small card, your computer runs faster. Okay, so these are the major components. Now let's move on to the next. How computer system works? Everyone you know, it processes the information provided by us. It takes information or data from one end, store it through process, and finally after completing the processing, it outputs the result on the other end. We know basics of all this, right? I will not go into the depth of this. And then some common devices, peripherals and terminology. Mouse, we know mouse. Keyboard, mouse, keyboard, right? So monitor, this one is monitor. Random access memory. DVD-ROM. Now DVD-ROMs not coming to the latest computers. Microphone, webcam, printer. So these are the basic common devices that we in day-to-day basis in our life we use this kind of devices. Now, this concept of hardware and software. Motherboard, again, CPU, RAM, hard drive, power supply unit, power cables, cooler fans, VGA cables. You can see here, no VGA cables. Is it there? No. So even the advanced form of computer, right? Then hardware. You can see the pictures over here. Motherboard. This one is memory, keyboard, printer, scanner, monitor, hard drive. This one is RAM. Okay, now I think this is quite important. I have skipped 2 or 3 slides. Understanding menu bars and taskbar. Whenever you open some documents or the computers, you will get menu bar at the top. Can you see menu bar? This one? Menu bar, right? Then taskbar, this one. We are used to with this, but we may not know the terminology, right? For that reasons, I prepared these slides for you. Okay. Then this menu bar in MS Word. How it looks like. If you open MS Word, 2007, 2011, 2010, you can see this kind of menu bar in the word form, title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar. Can you see over there? Formatting toolbar, scroll bar, cursor, ruler, working area. This blank area is working area, and the status bar. Okay. Basic terminology, file, applications, etc. You know what is file, right? We write something, we type something, we open Microsoft Office, Word, we type something, we save that, no? So that is called file. If you save it as it is, that's file. But if you save it within some folder, then that folder, do you know how to create the folder? You must be knowing, right? Should I show once? Click right button, new. Alright, so this is folder. You can see PPT training, this one, this is file, this is folder. Okay. Then we move to the next. I have made some examples of files. Okay, so the first one is document file, this one is spreadsheet, like Excel file, PowerPoint presentation file, PDF file. So all these are zip file, HTML file. When you save something directly from browser, this HTML file, this icon will pop in. Okay. Movie, AVI, MP3, PNG. This we have done in our day-to-day life. So moving on to the next folder. I have already shown how folder is created. So this is folder. Now applications. So what is application? Application is, please come. Application is, okay, software applications or applications or app. We normally say app. Alright, so it's a computer program designed to carry out a specific task other than one relating to the operations of the computer itself. See, our zone is different today. We have been learning CPC, CRPC, all these things in the code. Now today we are learning computer. Okay, it's a basic thing we should learn. So I have shown some of the applications. You can see this one, Google Map. This one is Gmail. Okay, this one is, I think, Apple Go Store Alive. Then this is Facebook. So this kind of things are called applications. Not to forget, we have very important one applications designed by E-Committee Supreme Court, that is E-Case Management System tool. I will come to that in my later part of sessions. Alright. So these are all these applications. Okay, now moving ahead. This is the topic designed for today's program, alright? Electronic case management tools for advocates. Now you can see over there, Information and Communications Technology, ICT. Okay? ICT. Information and Communications Technology. What is ICT? Information and Communication Technology is the use of computing and telecommunication technologies. It is to use telecommunications technologies, systems, tools to facilitate the way information is created, collected, processed, transmitted and stored. Whatever we are using electronically is information and communications technology. We use mobile phones, okay. We scan documents, we transfer it to some other, our colleagues or our friends through WhatsApp or through emails. We use computer, we use laptops. This all are information and communications technology. So Supreme Court thought that advocate must learn this information and communications technology system to boost, to enhance judicial system in our country. So this all are designed by Hon'ble Supreme Court. Now, you know, for filing any cases through our online portal, what you first need to do is, what do you do at the first? Somebody please respond. First we draft, right? We call our clients to sign up. Alright. Then thereafter we print it and then we scan the documents. Then we store it in which format? PDF format. Okay. So these are the basic tasks before uploading or e-filing our cases. So this all process is information and communication technology. Document scanning, also known as document imaging, to digitization or conversion, is the process of turning physical documents into digital files. We scan documents, we turn physical documents into digital one. This process involves using a scanner to capture images of documents, which are then processed and stored as electronic files. So this is the humble definitions I tried to give. Sometimes what we do is, we don't use scanners, we use mobile phones. Because there are so many applications for scanning. Even I use Dot Scanner app. It's a quite friendly app for friends. Some other may use different kind of applications. So document scanning is basically, after you print, you scan documents and store in computer or laptop. Okay? Mostly in PDF format, because our reports or e-commerce app, it accepts only PDF formats. Alright. In some other websites, we use other kind of formats, you know, like apart from PDF, any JPG, JPEG, PNG, this kind of formats we use, right? And Word also, spreadsheets. So this is the document scanning. We don't have here a scanner, otherwise I would have demonstrated before you, you know, but it's not required, right? You all know how to scan the documents. This is the scanner. We can see it in our e-Seva camera, right? Even in iPod also, and all of the e-Seva camera. Now boards are equipped with some other ADF, PDF, both side scanners also. No? And we have seen in the courtrooms liquid scanners lying there. So now the stages are coming that we should keep this kind of devices in our chamber. You know, this e-courts is a project, and we all know that project is not permanent. It will go one day. Alright, then this all kiosk, e-projects, this e-Seva tenders, you should not be operational after the projects are in. So, therefore, this kind of trainings are being organized for lawyers and lawyer folks. We don't have habit of keeping clocks here because we have this number of cases. In other states, lawyer clocks are also trained along with their lawyers. So, if we are trained now in all these technologies, we will be more, step forward in making the project success designed by e-commerce Supreme Court of India. So, see, this is scanner. You have mobile app, you can scan through mobile, so you don't need this machine. If you have bulk number of pieces in your chambers, you can keep this kind of machines also, no issue. Right? Mobile apps. Few mobile apps I have searched in the Google and found Cam Scanner, Microsoft Office Lens, doc scanner. I'm using this doc scanner. This is quite friendly. LOB scan, Swift scan, easy scan. Alright. So after you print documents, you can use this applications to scan documents and store it in your mobile phone and then transfer it to desktop computers through email or through WhatsApp. Alright. Doc Scanner, if you download this app, this scans automatically and converts automatically in PDF format. I don't know how many of you are using Ubuntu. Have you ever used Ubuntu? We have seen the ports using Ubuntu. We have seen the ports, right? In Ubuntu, in LibreOffice, there is a system you automatically can convert your Word file into PDF file. But using Ubuntu is quite complex. It requires again 2 or 3 trainings. If you use Ubuntu, then it will be very much helpful for you. Alright, so apart from this, I do not have to explain what is a document. You all know now. Document is a record of some information that can be used as an authority or for reference. Further analysis or study. Documentation refers to the ongoing process of creating, disseminating, managing, and using documents. Alright, so I have demonstrated 2 documents. The first one is Word document. The second one is PDF, right? The third one is this one. Spreadsheet, no? Excel. And the fourth one is JPG. I try to demonstrate what is important and required for this. There are so many other forms of documents. I heard some law offices have also come here, so you might be finding this topic boring, but please bear with us. This may be helpful for all of you. No? Legal offices. Legal offices, not law offices. Okay, now, equals related website. The first one is equals.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Do we have the lights to talk? We can't really see the.
Put up the light. Is it okay now? Yes. अलिकति वही बोल्दै थिएँ equals India logo. Okay. The second one is because why I am demonstrating this is because we are counting this kind of windows day by day in our daily life. Okay, by filing cases through reports website. The second one is Supreme Court's home page. Then this one is e-court services, and the next one is our own High Court logo website. We found this logo in High Court website. Okay. Now how to get e-court services. You will be interested here now. This will be the interesting part. How to get e-court services. Can somebody say how to get e-court services? Because I think you are finding me so boring. My lecture is so boring. Let's participate. Can somebody say how to get e-court services? How do you get e-court services? Where do we have to go first? Yes. Either you download e-courts app, mobile applications, or you go to Supreme Court website, there also you get, or you go to our own High Court website. So there you get e-court services. Shall I demonstrate it once? I will demonstrate it. High Court of Sikkim. High Court of Sikkim. Okay, you will find this page. Go to High Court of Sikkim home page. Then e-filing and e-payment. Alright, click on it. Take me to e-filing. 3.4. Take me to e-payment. Alright, so this way you get access to e-court services. So, what do you get in the e-court services? Everything means everything. Yes. Everything that relates to our cases. See, cause list, judgment, orders, case. Not only this, I'll demonstrate later on that we will get judges library, books, barracks, everything. So everything, Mr. Famous statement was correct. Everything you get. Right? So here we are. Service delivery in court complexes. What kind of service do you get in the court complexes? Have you seen? Big kiosk machine installed in Artistry Court, High Court, all the courts in Sikkim. Have you seen? A big machines we used to use, earlier, but this has become quite unpopular because every one of us are using e-courts applications, mobile applications. Otherwise, in e-Seva Kendra or in High Court or District Court complexes, this kiosks were installed. We used to go and type the name of the plaintiff or respondents or defendants. We used to get all the information over there, but this has become quite unpopular now because we have been using mobile applications, right? So, service delivery in court complexes. E-Seva Kendra. Do we go e-Seva Kendra? Don't you go? Kiosk, I've said. Digital display board. Total boards are installed. You can see the number of pending cases, number of cases being filed daily, number of listed cases, and disposed of cases also, right? So this is digital display board, justice clock. Okay. So okay, these are the topics that I covered in session 1. Okay, because I did it quite fast. It was earlier also covered, but some of you are here very new cases are here, so I thought that once I will do this. Alright. So if any kind of doubts you have, not in the computer parts, not in the hardware parts, okay, that you not later on. Information and communications technology and scanning, how to create PDF. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Alright? These days we have been using online platforms. Google is our life friend. Google has become our life friend. Alright? So, if you have document in Word form, if you do not have scanner, you can convert it. Alright, how? You need to give command to the Google. Okay, convert Word into PDF. See, Google understands so fast. I love PDF. I also use this app. Okay, smallpdf.com. So these all are free apps. You can convert 2 or 3 documents, I think, in a week. Select Word files. Okay. So I think even the Word file is upside down. Okay. This application will convert. Open. Now it's converting. See? How many of you do this? You do this, right? You should, you must. Okay, convert PDF. Now do it. Now convert PDF. It will convert your Word file into PDF file. So download PDF. This application has now become a PDF file. This is very easy, but we should utilize this kind of free apps, no? Applications. Now save it. It's done. Alright. Now another functions, if you have spreadsheets or see, you can scan this in your mobile phone using mobile applications. Alright. Then if you give command to the computer that this make this a Word file. Okay. Google has so many applications stored on it. This, Google will convert this to you in Word format. So you don't have to type. What I mean to say is you don't have to type, taking all of your time. Alright. Now what we have to learn is, see please, because we have been practicing, we are practicing advocate, we have been practicing in some senior seminars, alright. So basic thing we need to learn is typewriting. Alright. Basic Microsoft Office package we should learn, because we need this kind of things in day-to-day life. You know? I also tell my chamber colleagues to at least do this kind of job. If office you can spend some time in. There are so many applications these days in Google. You can find typing applications also. You can boost up your typing skill. Alright, enhancing your skill in typing. This will reduce your time, in general. Otherwise, we have to search where is T, where is W, where is E, in that way. Now the time has come to enhance ourselves, enhance our skill, right? So this is the end of session 1. Alright, now without taking any break, we move to session 2. I have been requested by some of the knowledge members of bar that please expedite the training sessions, because I think you have cases in the portal also, right? Okay. So we'll move to session 2. Alright. Somebody has session 2, this program schedule. Can you read what is there in session 2? Somebody can kindly read. Don't you have? Yes. Yes. E-filing, the digital online. E-filing, the digital online filing process. What is this? What is this? E-filing, the digital online filing process. Yes. Yes. No, every answer you will throw is correct. Don't treat me as your teacher. Okay. I have been trained, so I am imparting my whatever knowledge I am getting. So the digital online filing process. Online filing using digital mode, digital platform. Registrations of advocates in e-filing websites. Alright, now I will ask, how many of you have been registered in our CIS portal? Somebody want to answer any registrations? Do you know what is registration? You know, right? Why you know about registration? Yes. You are just passed on, right? So I want to know that. No. Yes. After you becomes proper lawyer, alright? Maybe after LLB and after you get an from Guwahati or maybe Kolkata, you need to register yourself in the CIS portal first to avail all the services. Okay. So step 2, e-filing. Advantages of e-filing: case portfolio management, no case status at any time. Alright. So since the very new members of has come, I'll just show you how to register. I will start from the beginning. Google. Go to Google. Alright. Now, High Court of Sikkim. Okay. Now scroll down to e-filing and e-payment. Alright, new members of the bar. E-filing and e-payment. Alright. Click here. See, there are two components here. The one who is registered, I am telling you that. You will find there are two components. One is take me to e-filing, take me to e-payment. For e-filing, you need to have your claims, your petitions or your applications signed by your client. Okay, scanned in computer, in PDF format. So all this has to be handy. Before you enter into this e-filing, see, you need to pay court fees also, no? For filing applications, appeals, petitions, claims, suits, everything you need to pay court fees. So before entering into this section, you need to go to take me to e-payment section. Alright. Because you need to have payment certificate or receipt which has to be uploaded later on. If you don't have this handy, you will not move into the next sessions in the filing section. Alright. So this is how we pay court fees. Payment category. Say for example, you are filing appeals before the High Court. Alright. High Court of Sikkim. You should name the party name. Alright. So we will write Pema. Pema is paying. Okay. Advocate name Jyoti. Alright. Type of fees. Court fee. Amount. Say for example 100. I'll put 10. You can put remarks here for what purpose you are paying the court fees. Alright. You can say court fees for appeal. See, enter your details. Now, whether you are filing individually or for organizations, alright. Learned director outside was asking one of our colleagues, if you have to do this, how will you do for organizations, right? So here you can see individual and organizations. This similar kind of things will also come in e-filing section also. If you are filing for, so for example, you are the law officer of police department and police department is filing a case, or you are law officer of law department has to file case against me, then you cannot file individually. You should file case in the name of law department represented by someone. Alright. So in that occasions you need to click on the tab organizations corporate. Alright. So we are filing here individually, so we have selected individual. Who is paying the court fee? His mobile number, date of birth, email ID. If you see without this, we can't move into the next sections. Alright. So this is enter payment details. Now you will go to verify payment details, and thereafter you pay, you complete your payment, and you will receive print. Alright. So you are handy with all these things. I will not go into the depth of this. Alright. So what I mean to say is, what I want to impress upon all of you is that, see, before moving into e-filing section, you need to pay court fees first. Alright. I'll close this. Now I'll move on to registration section. Alright. Our main members of our bar. Take me to e-filing. Somebody, you please come here. So that you'll learn. No? Come. Anyone can come.
Should I come?
No, new members. Come. That also. See you. We'll do collectively, alright? So, take me to e-filing. Take me to e-filing. Alright? Now see, we are already registered. 3 or 4 members of the bar here are already registered. Now you are not registered. Okay, let's scroll down. This is for the members who have been already registered. Okay, you are new. So new user register here. Can you see? Just do the login. Yes. New user register here. Okay. So this form will appear. Registration form. Okay. State Sikkim. Now you need to have bar registration number for this. Alright, without this we can't move ahead. Anyway, bar registration number, advocate's name, you can see the gender, alright, male, female, honor, date of birth, ordinary place of practice, value practice, district court, high court, state, contact details, all these particulars you need to put here, then you need to submit. And then after one OTP will be generated. See, doing this also, you need to have one ID card, alright, maybe photographs, that has to be kept handy, and then after you can do this. So this will be done by the CIS of High Court, right? So, okay, this will not be able to pause for today because you don't have enrollment number. Now take me to e-filing. I'll demonstrate how now cases are filed online. Alright. We were using earlier 2.0, I think, right? 2.0. Now we have been shifted to 3.0. This is 3.0. Select state. Litigant can also file. Government pleader. Government pleader means assistant public prosecutor, government advocate. So government pleader, government lawyer. Okay. So if you have enrolled as a government pleader, then you should click government pleader. Clerk is also there. Okay. So we are filing as an advocate. Okay. Now barcode email. Kasai ko pani bhandinuhoस् न. Barcode kasai ko छ? Online email, online ID, कसैको छ?
Julu.
Okay.
JULURAI 1114 @gmail.com.
This is username. Alright. Now password.
P caps. P E or small WANG @2024.
Alright, login now.
Click on it.
User already logged in.
Just log.
So please click here.
And the-
Please click here. Password.
P caps EWANG @2024.
Now this window will appear. Alright. Draft living completed agents, draft IEAS, interlocutory applications. Alright. Completed interlocutory applications, objections, if you have filed any kind of cases before the High Court or the subordinate courts and the trial courts, you will be notified by the registry. If there is some objections, then those objections come in the sections, okay? Objection sections. So my case is CS file 15, this is so far on. Okay. Now, this is quite different from the earlier one. Earlier we used to file, we used to register or we used to fill up the forms, and continuously we used to file, upload documents also, no? But in this you need to first file, first give inputs of your details, then thereafter you will upload the documents. Now case filing. Okay, we will demonstrate one by one. Okay, my partners. The best part of this application, this software is the my partners. We can add our partners also. What we do as of now is, for example, if Pema and me both of our paying one cases, then we sign Ogalatana. Alright? So in earlier applications, in earlier websites, this add partners facility was not there. We can add partners also. We can partner with some firms, some advocates from outside or inside. Alright, so we can add partners also. Alright. Then thereafter we can revoke partnership also. You can see there. Now just move to the case filing. You can see new case filing. Manage favorite clients. So new case filing. What inputs you need to put here is the details of litigant, fact details, case details, and then thereafter e-file, final submissions, e-file. Alright. Okay. Select it, select bench. Just a minute, alright. On the High Court of Sikkim is coming. Sikkim. Alright. Now this file. If you select High Court of Sikkim only, then you will file cases before the High Court of Sikkim only. Right? If you select Sikkim, then all the districts will feature. See, select district, Gangtok. Starts alright. Let's file civil case. Alright. Yes. Civil case. Okay. Now go to submit code. Select state. Because you are filing appeal, no? So this window is asking for the details of the judgment passed by the Southern Court. Put some data. Select size name. Civil judge. Sergeant civil judge. Case type. Title suit. We are filing same with you, no? Yes, title suit. Okay. Case number, you put case number and case number you put. So for example, 18 of 2018. 18 of 2023. Otherwise, the limitations will be less. Okay, disposal date. You should make it with 3 months. September 2017. second bar, immediately put 24, 23. Login details, no? For that we are converting some details into the subject. Now, select a copy of that date. So this kind of details you will see was not there in the audio activity in system, no? Now this, I think this application, this software will identify your limitation period also. Okay, certified copy of that. Put it in. Yes. For example, yes. Business payment. Cancel document is highlighted. Mobile number. Yes. Demonstration.
1/3/2006.
Okay, submit. See, e-filing number is in the okay, this is mobile. Type. Just go up, please. See, you can see the type here only. Okay, petition. See, can you please click on organization details? I'll explain that. Organization details, I will explain audio also, no? Then we will be what is. If you are running for your organizations, you have to click on this tab. Alright? Now organization type you can select here. Central government corporations, central government organizations, national councils, elections commissions of India, state government department. 2001, state government departments. Let's do it, alright? Let's file for the state. Petitioner respondent. Email not required. Occupations also not required. Okay, address. National Secretariat. Gangtok city. Right? Still going to go to the thing. So put pin code 737-103 101. State information. Although this is not required, but you can put it. Alright, for the demonstration purpose, we put state Sikkim. Select district. East. Taluka. Now, see, you can see F2 February. Okay? If you are filing, if you have to file cases twice, thrice for your single time, then you can put this. You can mark this section up, right?
What do you think about this?
Sorry? I also don't know what is probably, but it must be division. Division. Alright? Not division. See, Samvik, Santong, these are given, no? This is not division. This must. No, not constituency. This must be block. Yes. Okay. So Taranting is block, no? Alright. So what I was telling you is, if you have to file, say, Mr. Bema is your regular client, okay? You have to file cases for him time and again, then you can add this, add to do it and you update it. Sometimes you have 2 or 3 plaintiffs or petitioners to file the case. You need to give in details of all those 3 plaintiffs or petitioners, right? So in that occasions you need to update. If you move into the next session, then you will not get this window. Alright, you have to update first, and then you see view previous parties. Who was that? Payment. Alright. So now you have 1 more petitioner. So with that, 1 more petitioner. Okay, what is your name? So yes. Son. Your father. Yes. If you select the son, then you have to put the name of your father. So that's not required. You can put your age. Now everybody will see it. That's not required. You can put something here. So for example, 18. Yes, you can hide your age now. That way. That's not required. Alright? So, contact details. Email is not required, mobile number is also not required here. Address. But if you have, you have to put, alright, because mobile number, email address, this PIN code helps serving your summons better, in a proper manner. So, address, Gangtok. Gangtok, or you can put your proper address also. So, you can know where you are. Now state information again. Why do you have to select this state information, district and all? Information all अलग पनि हुन्छ, and this is necessary to identify jurisdiction. Alright. Section 15 to 20 CPC. Okay. Then to Hon'ble. Hon'ble, I think is a Hindi term, right? Or maybe Sanskrit. Block. You want to add other legal agent, there is a provision, other information also. Alright. Now you can save. Yes, save it. And then move next. I think saving will give the next option. Alright. Move on to next. You can see now, view previous parties. Alright, here. Payment and Brazil. Now next. Okay. This is fact. Fact details type is not compulsory. Okay, but you can put here fact. For what purpose you are finding this? Okay. Fact details. So this type is not compulsory. We will not fill up this form, right? You want, if you have facts, I should not say you have, because every case has facts. Alright. So if you want to put it, you can. So for today's sessions, we will not put anything here. We will move to the next sessions. Okay. Next. Because it's not mandatory. Now see cause of action. Case detail type is compulsory. Alright. Cause of action. Okay, the cause of action arose, right? The cause of action arose on. The cause of action arose on. Okay, because what is the copy of the doesn't put it with you. Normally, cause of action to file our appeal arises from the day of passing of the judgment, right? So, कहिले कहिले आयो?
4 September.
1st September. 4th September. Yes, 04. I don't think we can use that. Okay. 04 slash, let's try 04 slash 09 slash 09 2024. Okay. So data files correction is also similar. 049 to 2024 next tab. Important information to subject or region. This tab is not compulsory, but you can put important information you can share. Okay. For what purpose you are finding the appeal, you can put those regions here. Okay. So prayer will put set aside, kindly set aside, the implement judgment dated 4/9/2022. It's a general prayer. Alright. Kindly set aside the implement judgment dated 4/9/2024. How do we value appeal? I'm so sorry for asking this question. I want to know, how do we value appeal? You are filing appeal before the Hon'ble High Court of Sikkim or maybe before the Principal District Judge. How do you value the appeal? Yes. Suit ko je value se appeal ko value. Right. So let's presume the value of suit was 100 rupees. Value of the appeal will be 100 rupees. Okay. Print in local language. I will not select this one. That facility is also there. If you have print in local language, local language, you can select them. Dispute arising after. Yes. This is for the purpose of jurisdiction. Select dispute. East. Palka. Gangtok. So, act. Code of Civil Procedure. Somebody may please say under which provision to file appeal? Code of Civil Procedure. New members. Order 41. First appeal. Okay, right. Order 41. XM. 41 right. 41. 4. Right. So you can see now your data. Save it. Saving is a must. Otherwise, sometimes you will lose data also. So, now we are into the e-file tab. Alright, we have given litigant details, fact details, we have escaped, case details. Now we can file our case. Alright, remember we have not uploaded our documents. Alright, so I was telling you earlier that in the order applications, once you put all the details of your clients or the litigants, then subsequently you would get access to document uploading section. Alright, but in this new 3.4 system, that system is not there. Okay, now you have to e-file the case first, then again you have to move into the another tab, e-file case now. Sometimes we get confused with this, you know. It has happened to us also, me also. When I file the case before the Hon'ble High Court of Sikkim. I did everything, but I forget to submit it finally. Alright? Okay. Now you have filed appeal. Payment is filed. You can see from here. You can delete it also. Now move on to the pleading sections. Now you have to upload pleadings, right? Okay. Pleadings. Now come to the new case. Don't forget, alright? This search my cases and new cases. If you search your cases from search my cases tab, you will not find the one you have already filed earlier. Alright? Now new case. The one you already filed, you have to put your cursor into that button. Then you will find in this key, search keyword. If you have filed new case, as of now you have done, just right now. New case, key filing. This will appear. Yes, they have to delete it. Right? Anyway, enter file name. Say for example, appeal. Right? Appeal. Which file? You will use any PDF from here. Application, yes. Okay. Now you need to add file. Add file. Then what you file? Vokalatnama also, right? Vokalatnama. We choose the same application. We consider this as a Vokalatnama, right? Add file. Then court fees. Court fee. You know everything? Court fee. Application. Now, see. We have uploaded appeal, Vokalatnama, and court fee. One thing I would like to highlight here is, see, your applications, your pleadings, your claims, your documents should be sized between 25 MB, 20 MB, right? So it should not exceed 20 MB. If your files are exceeding 20 MB, then you can fragment it. You can scan separately. You can scan claims separately, documents annexes separately, or separately. So forth, so on. Alright? So this all are below 20 MB. So this I did. Please select it, find it. So finally we have submitted our documents. So giving details of litigants is part 1. Uploading documents is part 2. Alright. Now see, again submission is part 3. You have to go into a different tab. Now you can merge files here. See? What is merging? So for example, if you have uploaded plain and Vokalatnama differently in separate manner, you can merge that two documents into single one. Alright, so that in later stage when you e-sign through mobile OTP, in that occasions you don't have to again and again ask for the OTP. How also? So I will merge appeal with Mogalatnama. You can put index also from here. What we normally told you, right? E-sign now. Authorize signatories. We need to authorize signatories. Who will sign appeal? Litigant, normally, right? And lawyer also. So you can authorize 2%. Okay. Rashna will sign. Prema will also sign. Raji will also sign. So that means we require 3 mobile OTPs. Okay. Submit it. Sorry. OTP. Okay, we are verifying these readings through mobile OTP. So signature is added successfully. Alright. Now, Mogalatnama. Who will sign Mogalatnama? Yes, only. He will authorize you, no? So you can select here the name of your clients or the registration certificate. Submit.
So here I have one question.
Sorry?
So is it mandatory to do?
It is not mandatory to do. Not required. But if you do, it's good always. Right? Even if you do not do this, the registry will accept. They have been accepting it. But comparison, it's quite compulsory to mobile OTP.
So last time when I filed one succession, so I think this part I haven't completed. That is why so far I haven't received email also, and I do not know whether that case has been filed or not.
Yes. So that means it is required, right? If we give them our number and the number of our clients, then they will receive SMS and email also. No? Email, I think will not get email from here, at least from here. Maybe in some different types it is required to. Oh, so we have escaped, no, that part. Email we did not put, no? And phone number also we did not put. So this is just authenticating your documents only by client and by advocate. So authorize some signatories here. Who will sign? So you want to authorize, right? Yes. Submitted. And then court fees. Court fees client will pay, right? So payment in Brazil. Now there are, see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mobile authentications will be required. Alright? So payment. OTP. Mobile number.
700.
700 131 2596. Sometimes what happens, no, this system does not send you mobile OTP. In that occasions you can directly submit also. And maybe, as Ratna told us, we may not get email or text messages from the registry. Verify. So, payment verified. Rajiv, you also put your mobile number now. close this, enter OTP. Rajiv's phone is lazy. He's not lazy. Alright. Here also. Now very good. Now what will you do? Okay, that's not.
Eat one. 5908 1168. Uh, 927 847.
Is somebody from Madan Kumar's chamber? Madan's chamber? Alright. The next term will be yours, okay? Be ready for that. So, here, authenticated, right? So, this is the same process, we will not follow now. Alright? Bhima and Rajiv, then again they have to be authorized in Wakalatnama also and in court fees also. Now, where we are? Okay. Now go to wait. Home page. Okay. By clicking on e-filing services tab, we'll again go to home page. Now you can see draft deeding. Okay. Number 1 has come. Alright. It was earlier empty. Click on it. Civil agreement. So you can see without verses, we have filed one case here. Okay. So this is the civil appeal number so it has come. Now, action. You can see establishment, cause title, upload pleadings. You can see documents from here also, right? See? Whatever documents you uploaded, you can see from here. Okay. Now, oath recording. This is one beautiful feature added in this 3.0 e-filing website. You can record oath online. Alright? It's not yes. You can put the number of acknowledgement number of e-payment right here. Even if you don't put, because you have already uploaded that documents, it's not necessary. You can put it also. Alright. So finally, you need to submit here. Okay, now Rasna will get call from register. There is no process section. There is no respondent in this case. So this is how we file cases through this 3.0 e-filing portal. Alright. Thank you, Rajiv. Now I'll call. I forgot my brother's name. Please come.
So once we are filed, sir, after filing, how to check whether the petition has been filed or not, sir?
My cases. Sorry, completed pleadings. My cases section is the cases you have already filed and listed before the courts. Alright. You can see here. Is that completed pleadings? Okay. Payment. You just file it, no? 21/9/2024. View status. Still case is not consumed in CIS. So through completed pleading sections, you can see the e-file cases. Now this draft, it's still coming showing one, this will go. is no record of it. Right? So, my young brother, now it's your turn. $5. Yes. What is your name? Abhishek. Abhishek is filing all right now. He's taking all of you through the e-payment section first. Very good. Abhishek, you can directly go to e-filing, okay? Because I think all of our learning members are almost looking at e-filing. I mean e-payment. Take me to e-filing. Select state. Sikkim. You can type S. Do you have 95966 87 318 password. CHU. Okay, put my name in Dhungel, NNDHUNCEL 2015 @gmail.com. LSRIPATAN @gmail.com. U57D8F. Now I need to select my own password. Change it. Because I've changed my password now. Files deal with this prosecution, right? So law offices, still government. The role of law officers will come here also, no? I'm relating these training sessions to the law officers. And you select district plaintiff, select serviceman. Have you selected it? Select serviceman, yes. Okay, make a civil. is the first you have to raise that now. Civil suit. Is the money suit. So who will be the petitioner here? Jyoti. You will be the petitioner here, okay? Thank you. Will not forget to fill out the respondent form also, alright? Jyoti. Mobile number?
9733 34 333 4.
See, after filing this informations, you mark your activity. Registration number is there that will pop up. Okay. Now, sorry. Yes. Petitioner particulars. Ready to run. That is not required. You can put 90. So these are 90. Yeah.
Small G-Y-E-T-I. H-A-N.
D. You missed the D.
D-H-A-N. 37.
27.
37. And wait, you have a lot.
Only 27.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Address. Anything in the address. Gangtok, Sikkim. Alright, pin code 727-101. Now state information. Select state. Sikkim. District Gangtok. East. Talika Gangtok. Tahan jenis ini, tahan jenis apa? Yes. Okay.
So gender.
Gender. Oh yes, gender. You can't consider gender. Update. Now go to the responding section. You go to the responding, okay? Don't forget it. That is again finish the. Now who is the respondent? Nitu? Yes. Nitu will be the respondent. N-E-E-T. See, when you are putting the details of petitioner, this age and date of birth was compulsory. Okay, because you know the age of your client. When you are putting your details of respondent, because you don't know the age, no? That's why this static mark is not there. This is like Alright. Save. Okay, recorded it successfully. Now next. Next. Cause of action. Cause of action. Right? Cause of action. Compiling this one is suit arose on 20 plus 9 2000 2021 22 23 24 22. Okay. In recovery should what happens? You need to file recovery should within 3 years, no?
Yes.
On the date of money you have lent. Okay. Date of cause of offense you have to take, no? 29/2022. Jyoti has given rupees 1 lakh to Neetu on 29/2022. Prayer. 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 Degree for recovery. Degree. Degree. We read this kind of prayer, no? Degree for recovery of rupees 2 lakhs from opposite party. Yeah, the defendant. Right, defendant. We normally write defendant. Civil suits, defendant. Okay, so the addition to the suit is rupees 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Yes, so what is it? 2 lakhs. Seconds. Sharing. What provisions we have? I'm so sorry for asking this kind of silly questions. One suits. Okay, write it in. We'll go right from CDC. Order 5 is right. Order 6. Order 7 is good. 2, yes. Order 7 is good. Order 7 of the foreigner of the will. Then are you eligible? It is act, it is the code of civil procedure. It is the code of civil procedure. It is act. Okay? Code of civil procedure, nothing to do it. Code of civil procedure. Yes. Our 6 is the order 7 rule 2. Order 7 rule 2. Now save. Are you able? Save. Suppose that. Yes. Okay. Now we have put the instance of plaintiff and respondent. You can check from here also. It is not you need to go to pleading section. Pleading. Pleading is it. You have to upload documents, no? Judgment cases, new case. Okay. New case. Now select no. New case is select no money source. Yes. Okay. Now Jyoti Pradhan versus legal. Enter file name. Date. Choose file. Okay, so consider this application is your plain application. Application. Select it. Open. Add files. Add files. Submit. Now you file your file filling. Alright. Now what color? Enter file in what color number? Application. Open. Submit. Sorry, add file. Okay, let's try once. Let's consider this is a legal case. Let's not take what it is. Okay, we can file another case. So submit. There is no port fees, okay? Now, yes, is authorized images. Submit. Close that. Authorize. Yes. You need to authorize the pages, no? You need to verify. So, just put it on. Okay. Submit. Close that. Now, we have to stop. 7675. Seven six seven nine five. 76795 3352. My phone is also lazy, it's not coming. Oh yeah, 543579. 543579. Okay, verify it. Verify. Close this. Okay, nothing problem. Now, just do this. Okay, this is your mobile number.
97 double 3 double 4 triple 3 4.
Get OTP.
Nine six two four 1 4.
Okay, now you are verified. Now you go to the filing services. Okay, whatever you have filed down right now has come to your draft filing section. Now click here. So this is the money issue you file. Money issue, salesman, cost title, output billings. You can see documents from there also. Okay. So now finally submit. Do you want to submit cases without court fee? Okay. You can submit it without court fees also, see? Now, other side will come with applications on order 7 will level. He are not submitted court fees. But because this is our legal case, no? But there is no section, we could not find that section here, no? We have to make some declarations. Since this is a legal case, court fees has been calculated so and so, but by virtue of the legal aid, we did not pay what the application. So that section is not here. Okay. So did you learn how to file and file cases? Alright. So we can go now. Anyone from law offices, legal offices?
So after filing, can we have an option to delete if we don't want?
No. No. Because they are declarations. So you cannot later on modify, alter or anything. So that part is only available to registry.
So in my status it's showing that still case is not consumed in CIS. What does it mean?
Which case? Submitted by registry.
It's still not consumed in CIS.
It is there, but it is not been checked by registry.
Go for my like to file.
Have you finally submitted it?
Yes, I did.
Yes, you have finally submitted it. So it has not been checked by the lower court registry. No?
Go for my like to file copy.
Yeah, but I just want to know whether there is a correction or not. After correction only, I want to give the hard copy.
No. Normally what happens is once you file the case, registry will check and notify you. So until and unless you have a J1, so they so person.
Go for my case.
Why we submit hard copy? See, we are doing everything
That is why I think.
online, you know, because we are in hybrid mode. In earlier part of my sessions, I spoke about, see, this is project. You know. Once this project will go, then only online will return. This hybrid mode will go. Therefore, this all trainings are being conducted by Supreme Court. No? हाम्रो सिक्किम जुडिसियल एकाडेमीमा डेली ट्रेनिङ हुन्छ हैन जुडिसियल अफिसर्स registry, staffs of the registry, members of the bar, clerks, सबैको ट्रेनिङ भइरहेको छ नि त हो but this time we had quite good in numbers. The last occasions we were only 7, right? 7 or 8. And new cases are there, so it's very good. No? You have understood how to file cases. Now you can assist your chamber seniors, your chamber colleagues also. You can train them also, right? So the front row, the one sitting in the front row, I think they know. New members have also learned. Now I would like to invite your group. Anyone come? Yes. Law officers, no? You also need to file, right? Yeah, okay. You also need to file cases, no? Sometimes. That's why you have been nominated. Case filing. Case filing. Select district. We are not paying court fees, so we are not going to have success, alright? Get to establishment. We are filing cases before establishment district. Session is okay. So select Nancy, when filing cases, time and again can do district. No? We'll trouble Nancy's registry also. We file civil case for the department. For the department in transfer. So we are filing. Say for example, law department has lent 2 crores of money to 4 departments, and law department is not being able to recover from the 4 departments. Okay? Yes. Or Mr. Pema is not giving money back to the law department. It is again Mr. Pema. This time. First you have to select Don't forget to select this, alright? Because if you don't select this, you are filing before the Hon'ble High Court of Sikkim. The registry in the Hon'ble High Court of Sikkim is very strict, and they will catch hold on me. Sikkim. So, Nachi. Sorry, not Sikkim. Yes, Sikkim is. Nachi, establishment, Sikkim judge. Money shoot is not there. Okay, recovery is there. Recovery. Recovery of money. So now, see, it's not coming. Money. Yes, sir. Okay. So we put famous idea. Can you file cases against famous, not famous ID?
Phone number.
Phone number. How many of you have cases in the court today? I think all the judges are here, no? See, I have been asked to bore you till 1:10 p.m. DP4PDE. DP4PDE. No.
So, if you have time, can you please us Dhungel also?
Alright. Alright. Let's do this first. Okay. That mobile application is also there. People's mobile applications, how they add cases. I don't carry diary these days. I forget. If I carry diary, I forget. Because your diary is in the mobile equals applications. Alright. But I'm not insisting you to don't carry it. Because sometimes when you are before the High Court, you can learn so many things, from the court, from the senior lawyers. So you need to make note of it. So for that you require diary. If you are going visible, you can have tab also. This is so many lawyers. Yeah. I'll do that. The login say boy na famous for. Oh. Or must you say login? So you have it. Was this your old ID and passport? 9377 KT. 9377 KT. 9377 KT. These days, no, consumer commission has also gone online. You have to file this. So, Now I go to settings selected. Sikkim. Yes. And Sikkim. Okay. Maybe go to Sikkim. Yes, no. Now go to case file. Case file will tell this. Select district. You can click on country. Let's see. Yes, you can session judge. Okay, let's search. Okay, this was the option is handles this at the recovery good. I'm saying no one is filing recovery suit. And these people are so good, no? They return money in time. Civil suit, civil suit. Okay, so now, oh, Acha. On the tab civil suit, it's coming, money suit. Okay. So, petitioner respondent. Law department, public custody. Law department. Sikkim. Submit. Mobile number. You can put your mobile number. Okay. This number is generated. Now close that window. Yes. Now both the petitioners will do this. Now you will to click on all the details tab. Yes. Organization type. Law department law. Sikkim is coming there. Okay. You put address. Sikkim. You put 77101. Not there. Input not there. Select state. East. Target. Yes. Hopefully happens it. Update. Okay, now close that. Go to the respondent tab. You need to now download this. Now payment has taken no. So Mr. Petitioner is paying for this. Select Mr. Okay. Payment. But if you know, because court needs to send summons, if you put digits, it will go smoothly. Don't know, they have payment is starting. Then I'll come to this. Just below that, yes. You know the address of oh yeah, you call it. Pooja, you are filing the on day-to-day basis, right? So you require no demonstrations. So now save the data. Okay. Move on to the next. So that is not required. submit. Cause of action. Theoretically, now we focus on cause of action erosion, cause of action properly, consent, suit. Profiling the consent suit, cause of action erosion. Profiling the consent suit, cause of action erosion. 21/9/2022. 21/9/2022. So date of cause of action is 21/9/2022. Yes, in that format only. No other format is accepted. 21-0. 21-. The defendant failed to return rupees 10 lakhs to the plaintiff, where the work is written case line where not found to be very successful. Okay, don't put all that, but I think it will not be accepted. The former I will accept for the LC for that prayer decree for recovery of rupees 10 lakhs from opposite party, dependent. 10 lakhs from opposite party, dependent. So the business statement. Any numbers of zero you can have, no, because this is all the jurisdiction can try. Any numbers you got. It's a example, right? You want like what about it? So 60 is required now. Lawyers are exempted. We focused only on law, not on business. No? So again, order 7 is to CPC, Code of Civil Procedure Act. No, Code of Civil Procedure. Yes, implements in the act, no? That is code, C-O-D-E. Oh, yes, this time, see, correct. Section order 7. Rule 2. Are you knowing this is correct? Is it correct? Say. So you find the field of the details of litigant and the defendant. Now we file P5 case, P1, P5 case. We are submitting those details. Just a minute, hold. Okay. Do you want to submit the case? Once submitted, case details cannot be modified. So you cannot delete, do nothing. Unless registry notifies it. Okay, it's okay. Close it. now you need to upload details. Okay, now go to the billing section. Bills. Enter file name. Oh, okay. New case. First you go to the new case file. Just below that. Top of there, the file name, documents, is that case. Right? So enter file name. Paint. That application is going everywhere. Paint. Yes. So read the name of this document. Choose file. And the application. Yes. Add file. Come to this. See, add file. You have added your name. Okay. Now again, you need to find your mobile number also. So enter file name, mobile number. We are considering this application is plain and documents also. Mobile number. Choose file. That application again. Open. Add file. Okay. We have added over the also. Law department is not exempted under legal service services. So you should be what is legal company. No, just enter. Court. Receipt. Court fee receipt. Also exempt, the department is I think not exempt. Not exempted. You are paying what is the government? You being a government department. Is it required?
So we file actually.
Sorry?
So we are the legal officers. We
No.
don't file.
You don't file. But let's presume that you are law officers and if you need to file a case, then you have to. Right? If somebody like notorious payment, you do not return your money, then you need to file. Then in that occasion, what I am asking is whether a government department needs to pay court fees. Personally, no?
If the government department is paying electricity rent, the department will pay.
So you pay court fees also, sir. Okay. Then application at file. Okay. Now submit it. Editing successful. Now you can merge. So okay, merge why not? Merge.
So you need to click merge files.
Yes. We missed that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what we are merging right now is plain and oral. Alright. So merge files. Thank you very much. We did not place no this. So plain and oral is coming right now. Yeah. Okay. Merge file. We can enter the name of document also. What is most plain and plain with oral. We write sometimes in index, plain with vowel name and affidavit regular. So merged successfully. Okay, now there are only two files because one is merged with vowel name is merged with affidavit. Okay. Now go to e-sign. Authorize signatories. You need to authorize who will sign on it. I and you. Both of us sign. No? How do you verify? Through mobile OTP. Submit. Okay. Now, who will sign in mobile? No? 760. Verify it. Okay, in a single manner you have to verify. Yes. This one is. It's not verified. So you have verified your petition. Now you go to the filing services section. Draft clearance. You can see over here your manager. Now finally action. Submit. Okay. So you have finally submitted your case. So payment of this who file cases for the government department on behalf of the government department? Government advocate, right?
Legal teaching.
Legal advocate.
Or law general movement of
You see what they have got, no? See what they have got, no? Not only, right?
Just legal officers.
Anyway, because all of you are also lawyers earlier, so you can teach Preeti or whoever maybe in the department. So thank you for department filing cases against payments. We will notify later on now. Okay, now as requested, we'll move. Do we move to e-Dakhil? Are you interested? See,
I want to explain. I have to change my Gmail account.
okay. So that you need to notify to the registry. Yes. Yes. It is not in our hand. Neither in you or not.
I'm trying.
Not right. Then you got to learn to bias. Acha, e-Dakhil, it may not be helpful for the law offices, legal offices, but law and review may need it from it.
How is that e-working?
E-Dakhil. E-Dakhil is the portal that is used for filing cases before consumer commissions. Okay. E-Dakhil. And you know, when you get cause these case details of consumer cases? Component, yes. So before we proceed to the e-Dakhil section, we'll just see how our e-Courts app works. Okay. So does anyone have, somebody of you may have downloaded it, no? Have you downloaded it? The e-Courts here. Customer, sir? Sure? Okay. New members. Silent. You download it. Sorry? Internet is not working? Okay. I can't help that. No? Okay. The e-Courts stuff is happening. But Mr. Pema is knowing all these things. No? Yes. Achha. So, I can't show it there. Kotha bolete? This is so funny. Achha, you Sunny. This is e-Court mobile applications. Okay. Now you can see here my cases tab. Okay. Pema has lots of cases. Yes, lots of cases. Now what you do is case status, cause list, all these things. This kind of day-to-day cause list, it appears here. Case status, you can see your case from here. Okay. Case status, say for example, your internet is also not working. Case status.
Then you can use mine.
Okay. Case status, no, you selection.
So you can use mine because our Wi-Fi is working.
Okay. Okay. Case status. Okay. Case status tab. Sikkim. So it basically practice in Gangtok. So I put Gangtok here. Okay. Party name. त्यो एप चाहिँ छैन नि ओके सो कसैको केसको नाम भन्नुहुन्छ पार्टी कसैको चेम्बरमा कसैले गर्नुहुँदैछ एउटा कुनै केस सरी
In consumer, sir?
नो हियर दावा तामाङ now we move from your app to our दावा तामाङ okay. You just need to put the name of either the respondent or the petitioner or plaintiff. If you know the case number, you can put this also. If you see, if you have the barcode छ भने पनि तपाईले स्क्यान गर्दा हुन्छ. You need to generate barcode first, then you will scan from here. The details will come. Okay. So here is Dawatama. So registration year
2024.
So this should be correct. Okay, 2024. Is it pending? Pending. So go. See. The cases with names Dawatama. दुईटा शो गर्दैछ. Okay. सक्नु कुन चाहिँ भन्थे?
CPS.
Maita Kumar Taman versus Dawatama. Okay. So title suit number 9 2024 is coming here. You need to click on this tab, then you will get the details. Okay. Now the best part is why I do not carry diary is you can add this case to this add. Okay. Add case. If you add this, now this I have added it successfully. Now it appears in saved cases, my saved cases. So what is the benefit out of it? What is the benefit of this? It saving cases. Okay, now I'll go back and I'll demonstrate you. So there is one tab, my cases tab. You need to click on this tab. Okay, it will show diary, calendar, and date when your case is listed. It also shows that. Okay. So you can list November. So see, we can see. So it is listed on November 5. I have added this case in my list. So now it appears November 5. So do you need diary? You don't need. But we will miss this. Don't carry diary. You must carry diary. Alright. So if you click here on 5, this case will appear. Maita Kumar Taman. Okay. So in this case, in this way, you can save your case. So another function is cause list. You can see the cause list of your cases listed today for the courts. Okay. Select court complex. Select name, principal district judge. Okay. I'm doing principal district judge. Then 21st September. Civil and criminal. Okay. Let's see civil. There are no cases today. Criminal. There are no cases today. Okay. Then case status. Then CNR number. Okay. Now if you click on this CNR number tab, you will see scan QR code. Okay. You can scan QR code also. Now there is another tab. यो जुन चाहिँ तीनटा स्टेप्स छ नि यहाँनिर हेर्नुहोस् त हो इफ यु क्लिक हियर यु विल फाइन्ड नम्बर अफ सर्भिसेस हियर see under number case status cause list my cases import export settings personalized okay e-pay NJDG National Judicial Data Grid यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईहरुले कति इन्डियामा आज केस फाइल भयो अहिलेसम्म how many cases are pending in all the courts in country you will find here okay e-filing पनि छ अनि India code okay I wanted to show you all this India code sometimes what happens no we don't carry latest or updated bear acts and court acts हो people के भएको छ भने मेरो bear act 62 रुपैयाँ को थियो रहेछ चन्दक सरको bear act चाहिँ 90 रुपैयाँ को रहेछ हो उहाँको चाहिँ अपडेटेड रहेछ मेरो चाहिँ अपडेटेड थिएन म चाहिँ बेल गर्दै थिएँ के अरे SNSC एक्ट को बेल गरेँ हाम्रो सानो चिपचाप भएको थियो कोर्टमा मेरो चाहिँ कम्ती रुपियाँको बेयर एक्टले गर्दा चाहिँ द्याट प्रोभिजन वाज नट देयर इट वाज अलरेडी एमेन्डेड नो एन्ड अनदर थिङ हेज ह्यापन्ड इज मैले चाहिँ पुरानो आइपिसी बोकेर गएको रहेछु कि सो त्यहाँ चाहिँ कम्पाउन्डेबल लेखेको थियो द्याट पार्टिकुलर सेक्सन वाज कम्पाउन्डेबल माइ त्यो पुरानो किताबमा नि बट नयाँ अमेन्ड भएर चाहिँ 327 कि 326 चाहिँ नन कम्पाउन्डेबल भइसकेको रहेछ So, Jamin madam was there. I was insisting upon her that this is compoundable cases. She told me, Mr. Dhungel, you are carrying old law, old book. Okay. Now, those days as now have gone. Okay. Don't have to worry about this. Okay. I'll show you. So this India code. If you click here, you India code चाहिँ तपाईले यही मात्रै गर्न पाउँछ भन्ने पनि छैन. Okay. Google, you can Google it also. Okay? So India code, it features here. Okay? So click here. Which bear act you need? Tell me. Any. Consumer Protection Act. Okay? Consumer Protection Act. Go. यहाँ तपाईहरुले टाइप गर्दा गर्दै इफ यु राइट कन्ज्युमर देन कन्ज्युमर लेखेको जतिवटा पनि एक्ट्सहरु छ त्यो अपडेट गरिहाल्छ ओके इट्स नट कमिङ नाउ बिकज अफ द इन्टरनेट कन्ज्युमर प्रोटेक्सन एक्ट ओके नाउ सी what is the advantage of it is you get latest and updated amended consumer protection act and all the sections legislations and all the notifications regarding Consumer Protection Act. You can see from here, okay? See. The acts are coming. Bureau of Indian Standards Act is that. Consumer Protection Act is coming. Okay. So this is the advantage of using this app. Then another thing is you can see the repealed act also. Okay, from here there is dashboard. You can see repealed act. Okay. Sometimes we need repealed act also. So this has all given here. Okay. This is India code. Now virtual courts. Virtual courts is also there. It has not been started anymore. Virtual courts means online open appear to be seen. But this virtual court actually is say for example तपाईले roughly गाडी चलायो स्पिडली गाडी चलायो मोटर भेहिकल एक्टमा यु विल बी चलान वेस्ट बेङ्गल हैन त्यो अटो चलान virtual courts you need to pay fine on that. Okay, you can appear through virtual mode also. So that is possible. E-committee, judgment search. Okay. Judgment search tag is also there. You can search judgments from here. Supreme Court judgment, High Court judgment. Alright. And the judgment search, you will say tags. If you click there, it will redirect it to ESCR. What is ESCR? Do you know what Hon'ble Supreme Court has done is? And it is basically collecting what SEC, AIR, one matter. So Supreme Court is Hon'ble Supreme Court is ESCR, E Supreme Court record. Okay, you say इसको प्रतिदिन Supreme Court के जजमेंट से पास कर सकते हैं कि ESCR को रिकॉर्ड ना depository में लिख सकते. So you can search there also. You can cite this yes that judgment also. Okay, for this ESCR you need to okay. Then you put this captcha 10 plus 2. Oh, achha. 10 plus 2 is 12. Very good. We are talking about communication statement, but income is it's part 3. About 36835 results. So that means 36,835 Supreme Court, only Supreme Court judgments is stored here. Right? So in this way you can search judgments from here also, and this is very much citable for the high courts, any other courts, accepted by all the courts, ESCR. Oh, then another project initiated by Hon'ble Supreme Court is neutral citation. Right? अब अहिले चाहिँ हामीले हाइकोर्टमा गएर त्यही एसएससीहरु राख्नु पर्दैन. हाम्रो हाइकोर्टको पनि you can put neutral citations number. Right? Do you know neutral citation? Right? See, in the website of High Court of Sikkim also you can see ESCR. Can you see here ESCR? This is the same thing I just demonstrated. Okay. So we have Sikkim now reports also. You can access to this also. And this there. Go to the case status tab. Okay. Free text is also there. You can make use of this also. Free text only any judgment about, say for example, Article 14. Okay. Article 14. The free text one you just type Article 14, you will get all those judgments written by our passed by our Hon'ble High Court about Article 14. You will get. It's may take time because it has to search Article 14 only. Very tough fast. Internet is very slow. Can you see neutral citation number here? Yes. So for example, 5. I don't know any neutral citation number as of now. Okay, I'll just put randomly 5 for the year 2024. Network Marketing and others. Okay. Now see. This is the barcode 2024 SHC Sikkim High Court 5. This citations number you can quote before the High Court. You don't need to quote requisition 7 number 55 of 2022. Alright? This is similar to EIR SCC. So 2024 SCH 5. Okay? So this facility is also. Okay, this is all about neutral citations, searching judgments in our own iCode website. ESCR, okay, mobile application. Anything apart from this? Because confront my Jane, law offices, legal offices will be bored, no? Confront. Please tell me about this. Anything regarding e-filing? Anything regarding e-filing? केही छुट्यो मैले के भन्दिनु पर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ तपाईलाई e-filing या त यो मोबाइल एप्लिकेसन बारेमा है so all are trained now. My advocates will not disturb me in odd hours now. All are trained. Here also, firstly you need to register company. Company registration चाहिँ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Sorry, e-दाखिल. I'm so sorry. Company e-दाखिल. Registration process, everything is given here. Video tutorials, registration process, consumer complaint process, okay, first appeal process, revision petitions. So everything is here. Consumer commission rules. You can see consumer commission rules, tax nominee rules to have this 22. So all is given here. Now advocate section. Okay, you need to log in. कसैले बनाउनु भएको छ यो बनाउनु भएको छ नि So how we are filing cases before the consumer commission, you know?
Also, normally we used to scan and give it to the printer.
See, that's the problem, no? See, yesterday I was talking to one of my friends then in Dhungel. The courts established e-seva kendras. Alright. Maybe for that reason we print, we sign it, we send it to our client for signatures. When they bring documents, then we go to e-seva kendra. We do not even try filing ourselves. So maybe for that reason we are not so much trained. Now all of you are trained, apart from you still brothers and sisters. So that may be the reasons. E-seva kendras are there, staffs are there, they do everything for us, and we are not even trying to keep us updated.
But nowadays, the issue of not solving.
It's good, it's good. Yes, it's good. It's a project, I say. If we start one day or everything will go, then we'll left with no other options than to learn all this. So email only. I think I have also. Login. So file name is accept. We welcome your suggestions to improve our site and request that any error found may kindly drop to our notice. Please email at night. The saddest part is, forget about this, we don't have our ideas, you know. Accept it. So, consumer case. Okay. So we are filing before the district. I'd filed one miscellaneous application, so therefore I have registered with this website. Okay. So now, district consumer judicial case file. So only any is there. Execution review. So where is the place for filing? Yes. Sorry, fresh case. No? Okay. Consumer case. Yes. Now consideration amount paid for goods and services. So for example 5x. Claim amount. Claim amount. So place of cause of action is Sikkim. Sikkim. Okay. District is continue. So again you need to fill all these forms. Alright. So I am not going to this. You can fill out the forms. But first you need to register it. Okay. See how it is. It will be. You will be registered. Alright. So उसको registration लाग्छ भने एकजना गरौँ है so login registration email ID हैन
Fill आउँछु
EMAONGCHU21@gmail.com EMAONGCHU What password would you like to give? Anything. Gangtok @123. Alright, G is capital letter. You know, G is capital letter. You can write it. GANGTOK @123. G is capital letter. Father's name is also mandatory here. Late. No. Okay, I'm sorry for the legal offices. Okay, this is what password. GANGTOK @123. So mobile number is also mandatory. You know, mobile number 700-131-131-2596. Okay. Address Gangtok, Gangtok, Sikkim. Alright. So ID proof is required, no? So we can proceed here. It is the same thing will happen. You will find similar kind of things in yes, new registrations in CIS also. I could have skipped. Alright. So you need to have ID card. Oh, it's a PDF only. So I will not use that application again and again in your ID. Alright, because the ID you got a connection. So this is the way you have to register. Alright. And then after registering you will get login ID and password. Then only मैले demonstrate गरेछु तपाईले त्यही गएर फर्म भर्दाखेरि application file गर्दाखेरि भइहाल्यो ल. The similar process will follow as it is in the case of 3O. Alright. So we have done with this also. Almost we have come to end of both the sessions. I'm playing with Microsoft Office. Okay. Sometimes we need Excel also, and sometimes we need to prepare PowerPoint presentations. Okay. I would एउटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिसियरीमा केसेसहरू फाइल गर्दाखेरि समटाइम्स यु निड टु फाइल पर्चा. ओके, पर्चा नर्मली नेपालीमा हुन्छ. So it has to be converted, translated into English. Then you need to know during that time Excel, तपाईँले एक्सेलमा चाहिँ पर्चा लगाउँदाखेरि सजिलो हुन्छ नि. वर्डमा फेरि अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ. यो तपाईँहरूले एक्सेल सिक्नु पऱ्यो. समटाइम्स यु निड टु लर्न वर्ड. सो हाम्रो पेसा चाहिँ यस्तो रहेछ कि वी हेभ टु बी मास्टर अफ अल ट्रेड्स. I'm not saying the rest of the part. So if this is the intentions of Hon'ble Supreme Court also.